I think before going to the exact match domain update, it is really a great opportunity to make sure that we have one more algorithm. Okay, that is, I'll make it as 10. We have one more algorithm. That algorithm is like AMP. Okay, 09. Okay, AMP. So Google AMP update. Basically, this AMP means accelerated mobile pages. Accelerated mobile pages. Yet another update related to mobile friendly website. But the beauty is accelerated mobile pages are not Google ranking algorithm. AMP. Okay, AMP version of a website is not a ranking algorithm. So even if your website is not having a AMP version, you are not going to be penalized. Okay, but if your website is not having a mobile friendly interface, obviously you will not be having a good results. So that is a ranking factor. Having a mobile friendly website is a ranking factor. But having a AMP version or not having a AMP version of the website is not a ranking factor. If you can have, yes, it is good. If not, it is not a material. But in my opinion, having a AMP version of a website will add value to user experience. So when it is adding value to user experience, then that is a really great symbol on an SEO front. Okay, so with respect to SEO and its results, so anything that you do for your customer satisfaction, best experience, that is the best SEO that you can do. Okay, AMP is basically the accelerated mobile pages. So this is a concept for developers, the logic for web developers. Obviously, we cannot do it. Okay, we need to know the technology. Now we should know what is AMP. AMP, which is basically accelerated mobile pages. Okay, if you look into this one, accelerated mobile pages. So what it is an open source HTML framework developed by the AMP open source project. It was originally created by Google as a competitor to Facebook instant articles and Apple News. AMP is optimized for mobile web browsing and intended to help web pages load faster. So, what is the intention behind AMP? AMP is optimized for faster loading and to give instant experience to the mobile phone users. Okay, if you look into the images, if you go into a smartphone and see, you can understand. Okay, this particular results you might have not experienced these many days. You can see here. Okay, whenever a website has a AMP version, okay, AMP symbol or AMP accelerated mobile pages logo or icon, I think. Okay, so this is how it will look like, a power symbol. Okay, a power symbol will be shown near the website. Okay, so AMP pages on mobile. So whenever you search a website on mobile, okay, Google will show the AMP pages, okay, with the icon of the power symbol, okay, in ACRP where it is shown. Let me try to see, is there any result shown here? Yeah, I think I can see something here. Let me take this image and see. Yeah, open image in new tab. Okay, so this is the, oh, it's very small. Okay, let me click expand, but it's not very good. But when you search using mobile phone, there will be a small power symbol near this website URL, which means this website is like AMP. It is enabled with AMP, accelerated mobile pages. That website can give the data displayed very fast in a quick manner. Let me try to see, is there any clear picture of it? AMP. Can I try this? Plum Rocket website. This is also of not good quality. I think once it loads, it will be good. Okay, so the image is not good. Okay, so there is something like this. Because it is a desktop version, we cannot see this on a mobile phone. Okay, so there will be a symbol near this website. Okay, whenever you see this symbol near the website, the AMP symbol, okay, that website will load faster. If you click, it will load just like that, less than a second, not even a second. If you ask me, less than a fraction of second it will take time to display your content. So this is basically the project developed by Google with respect to competition for Facebook's instant articles and other platforms, especially with Apple product. Okay, and to increase the experience of the people, the page will load just like that. Okay, so accelerator mobile pages, basically a algorithm that is used for increasing the speed of website users with respect to smartphones. So there are two things. One is Google's mobile friendly update. Mobile friendly update concentrates on the interface, the layout, design, and the user experience on the touch and feel of the product. That's basically the mobile friendly update. AMP update concentrates mostly on its speed and its loading content. Okay, a perfect platform only for speed. Google has developed this particular product, and the web developers will develop a two version of a website. Whenever you take a website, okay, whenever you take a website, they will be having one version of the website as normal computer website, and they'll be having another version of the website as AMP version. In general, AMP version of a website. Okay, let me say if a website is mobile friendly, there is no need for AMP version. Okay, if your website is mobile friendly and if your website is loading faster, there is no need for AMP version of the content. Okay, the only problem is when your website is very slow, you are receiving more visitors from smartphone also. So we need to make sure that the AMP version is installed. At times, whenever you create or visit a website, at the end of the URL, once you go out and type AMP like this and hit enter, you will be able to see the AMP version. If it says like not available, 404, not available, something like that, which means there is no AMP version of the website. Okay, but if it is mobile friendly, if it is loading faster, that is not a problem. I think I learned about mobile friendly with a website called Shout Me Loud. Okay, so this website, first time when I came to know about AMP, he was one person to teach about what is AMP. So I went here and let me give it a try. When I put AMP here and try, okay, he is also not having it. Okay, but this is how we need to check the AMP version of any website. Let me give it a try for the website like WordPress guide. There is one website related to WordPress guide, wpbeginner.com. Okay, let me give it a try with wpbeginner.com. Is there any AMP version for this? Okay, so it is redirected to the home page. So page not found. Okay, so in general, when we try to type the AMP version AMP here and hit try, okay, so it says like 404. So maybe there might be an update with respect to AMP pages that it is not required or something like that. Because when it was initially released, we generally used to enter AMP at the end of the URL to check it whether is there a AMP version of it. But recently, when a website has very faster interface, it loads faster and it doesn't need that much amount of attention. I think there will be no requirement for AMP. Okay, but there are lots of people related to news articles and other people. Once you use a smartphone, you can take your phone right now, start searching about the information related to Diwali offer, something like that. You will end up seeing a AMP version of the website, which is with a small AMP or the power symbol shown near the URL. So that's basically the AMP version, a perfect project for speed of a website, but it is not a ranking signal. Okay, and is it the 10th algorithm? Did I do something on the serial wrong? Okay, correct.